Imagine a world frozen in time, hidden beneath layers of ice for millennia. A place where ancient secrets are preserved in pristine conditions, waiting to be uncovered by modern explorers. From towering mountain ranges buried deep under Antarctic ice to viruses older than civilization, the frozen expanses of our planet hold mysteries that are both fascinating and otherworldly. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. We'll journey beneath the ice to reveal 10 of the strangest and most incredible discoveries made in the past decade. Get ready to explore a world where the past meets the present, and where the uncharted territory of Earth's coldest regions holds secrets that could change everything we know about life, history, and our planet. 1. Hidden mountain ranges. Gamburtsev Mountains. The Gamburtsev Mountains are a massive mountain range located beneath the Antarctic ice sheet. Discovered through seismic imaging in the early 2000s but further explored in the past decade, these mountains are about the size of the European Alps, stretching over 1,200 kilometers. The peaks rise over 2,700 meters, but they remain completely covered by more than a mile of ice. Scientists believe that these mountains, which are over 1 billion years old, played a crucial role in the formation of the Antarctic ice sheet. Their preservation under the ice raises questions about the stability of ice sheets and the potential impact of climate change on these hidden geological features. 2. Ancient viruses. Pithovirus sibiricum. In 2014, scientists discovered Pithovirus sibiricum, a 30,000-year-old virus, in the Siberian permafrost. This ancient virus is still infectious, though it only affects amoebas and not humans. The discovery of such well-preserved viruses in the ice highlights the potential risks of melting permafrost, which could release other ancient pathogens that have been dormant for millennia. The thawing of permafrost due to global warming could expose humanity to viruses and bacteria that have been buried for tens of thousands of years, some of which might be harmful. 3. Subglacial lakes. Lake Vostok. Lake Vostok is one of the largest subglacial lakes in Antarctica, lying beneath 4 kilometers of ice. It was isolated from the Earth's surface for millions of years, making it a unique environment for studying extremophiles, organisms that can survive in extreme conditions. In 2012, Russian scientists drilled into the lake, and subsequent analysis revealed the presence of microbial life, suggesting that life could exist in isolated and extreme environments similar to those on other planets or moons. The discovery of these microorganisms has profound implications for the search for life beyond Earth. 4. Frozen mammoths. Yucca, a 39,000-year-old mammoth. The frozen carcass of a woolly mammoth named Yucca was found in Siberian permafrost in 2010. Yucca is one of the best preserved mammoths ever discovered, with some of its muscle tissue still intact and even some blood. The level of preservation has allowed scientists to study the mammoth's anatomy in great detail, providing insights into how these animals lived and what caused their extinction. There have also been discussions about using the preserved DNA from Yucca and other mammoths to possibly clone the species, raising ethical and scientific questions about the extinction. 5. The Blood Falls in Antarctica. Blood Falls is a natural phenomenon located in the McMurdo Dry Valleys of Antarctica. The blood is actually a deep red, iron-rich water that seeps out from the Taylor Glacier. The source of this water is a subglacial lake that has been trapped beneath the ice for about 1.5 million years. As the lake water comes into contact with oxygen, the iron oxidizes, giving it the red color. This environment is rich in ancient microbes that have adapted to survive in the cold, oxygen-deprived conditions, providing a unique glimpse into extremophilic life. 6. Ancient forests. Mummified trees in the Arctic. In the Arctic, particularly in regions like Ellesmere Island in Canada, scientists have discovered mummified trees that have been preserved in permafrost for millions of years. These trees date back to the Miocene epoch, about 23 to 5 million years ago, when the Arctic was much warmer and supported lush forests. The discovery of these mummified trees provides valuable information about the Earth's past climate and helps scientists understand how ecosystems respond to climate change. These ancient forests offer a glimpse into a time when the Arctic was a very different environment, with rich biodiversity. 7. Meteorites. The East Antarctic ice sheet finds. Antarctica is one of the best places in the world to find meteorites because the ice acts as a natural conveyor belt, slowly moving these space rocks to certain areas where they are concentrated. Over the past decade, scientists have found thousands of meteorites, including rare Martian and lunar meteorites. These meteorites provide valuable information about the solar system's history, including the conditions on Mars and the Moon. The cold, dry conditions of Antarctica help preserve these meteorites, making them a treasure trove for scientists studying the early solar system. 8. Ancient human tools found in Yukon's Bluefish Caves. In the permafrost of Yukon, Canada, archaeologists have discovered stone tools in the Bluefish Caves that date back over 24,000 years. These tools suggest that humans may have settled in North America much earlier than previously thought. The tools were found alongside bones that showed signs of human modification, indicating that people were butchering animals in this region. This discovery challenges the traditional timeline of human migration into North America, suggesting that humans could have been present during the last glacial maximum, surviving in harsh, ice-covered environments. 9. Microbial life in extreme conditions. Microbes in Antarctica's Lake Whillans. Beneath the ice of Antarctica, in subglacial Lake Whillans, scientists discovered thriving microbial communities. These microbes live in complete darkness, under immense pressure, and without any input from the sun. Instead of relying on photosynthesis, these organisms survive by metabolizing minerals from the surrounding rocks, a process known as chemosynthesis. The discovery of life in such extreme conditions has significant implications for the search for extraterrestrial life, particularly on icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, where similar conditions might exist. 10. Unusual fossils. The fossil of a giant penguin in Antarctica. In 2014, scientists discovered the fossil of a giant penguin in Antarctica. This penguin, which lived around 37 million years ago, stood over 6 feet tall and weighed more than 250 pounds. The discovery of this giant penguin fossil provides insight into how life forms adapted to the colder climates of ancient Antarctica, which was once a much warmer place. These fossils help scientists understand the evolution of penguins and other species in response to changing climates, as well as the history of Antarctica itself. These discoveries not only shed light on Earth's past but also offer important clues about the potential future of our planet, especially in the context of climate change and the exploration of life beyond Earth. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel.